Hey you guys, what's poppin' YouTube? It's your girl May Banks and you already know the vibes. Welcome to the channel. Welcome familia. Hola familia chameleons. You already know the vibes. And for today, I am speaking a little bit low because as you can hear, whenever you hear that little music back there, you know my baby is taking a nap. So I need to take advantage now, you know. As you can see from the title below, I want to play Marvel Rivals. I haven't played it yet. It looks a little hard. I've noticed my man playing it and I was kind of just like, what the hell's going on? I'm intrigued. So in honor of Juneteenth, if you already know the vibes, we're gonna be doing a look. We're gonna turn ourselves into a storm, and of course it's gonna be a little closet cosplay. I think I'm playing around with the closet cosplays right now because I don't have like actual outfits, so I think it's a little fun. It's a good way to be able to, you know, cosplay and do looks based off your favorite characters, but still give your own input, your own edge to it, right? Originally I was gonna do Storm's wedding dress look because nobody does that, so I'm definitely gonna be investing in the wedding dress look. But since the dress that I have is kind of like, and I don't really have a lot of big jewelry, so I can't really do that right now. So I'm gonna go for the Rockstar Heavy Metal. I think it was 1988 if I'm not mistaken, where she basically had the Mohawk. Apparently I found out, so I didn't read the comics, right? I've always wanted to read the comics, but I never knew like where to start. But I'm the type of girl, like if I'm at the comic book store, I'm gonna just pick up what I gravitate to, you know what I mean? But I actually found out that the reason why she even did the Mohawk was because in the comics she ended up going to Tokyo at one point, and I forgot who she spoke to. What's her name? She basically had an arc where she went to Tokyo and she was doing like her whole self-discovery thing, and then she just chopped the damn thing off and came back like that. I don't know, you feel me? So yeah, we're gonna be doing that today. Obviously I got my shaved sides in here, so I'm gonna be painting it white and we're gonna be doing a look together. It's gonna get very like heavy metal Storm, you know what I mean, but in my own way. I hope you guys enjoy. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, hit that bell because YouTube does not tell you when I post. I really want you to see when I post. I'm part of this whole experience with me. Road to 10K, you already know the vibes. Don't forget to vote down below for a chance for me to win a page in Rolling Stones. I just really want to tell my story, you feel me? Like, I'm not even really so focused on the performing part. Like, of course I want to perform, but I like, let's be honest, I don't have any music, alright? Anyways, I just really want to tell my story. That's really what it is. If I don't add the gameplay here, then I'm pretty sure it'll be a separate video on the channel coming straight off my Twitch stream. Okay, so enjoy and keep watching. I'm trying to see if I should do something like stormy in my face, you know? I gotta look orange.
Right, so carrying
It's not really my color, but I think what I'm going to do is a liner that looks like bolts. What do you guys think? The fit is cute, I'm not gonna lie. I wish I could show you. I'll probably get, matter of fact, I'll put like a full body pic right here. The boots, fire red eyes. That's what I feel like right now, literally. That's what I feel like right now. I took this picture in the room and I'm about to edit the muscles to make them look bigger, and I'm gonna send it to my man to see what he says. Muscle mommy, look at that leg. Muscle mommy down. Oh my god, I love the outfit though. The outfit is super cute. I was actually gonna wear this fit to go out one day, but like I felt like it was perfect for the vibes. So yes, I'm pretty much done with the look, honestly speaking. I wish I had contacts in, but on TikTok I did see that TikTok has like these contact filters, so I think I'm gonna go with this one. Look at that, chef's kiss. I hope you guys like the look. I kind of love, you know what I love about myself? I'm gonna tell myself something as I look at myself in the mirror. You know what I love about myself? That when I do looks, they're not like mainstream looks, but like you also have not seen it on somebody else, like to the T, like me, you know, and that makes me feel good a little bit, just a little bit. It makes me feel, see, that's how you know, because my dimple's coming up, like, you know, I feel good just a little bit. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I'm gonna be doing my TikToks now, and I'm gonna get ready to try to go on stream ASAP because she's sleeping, so I could probably find my opening now. And if I don't do it now, then I'm gonna have to do it later. But I don't know how late I could do it. You know what I mean? So I'm gonna try to do it now. And yes, I'll make sure to post the shorts on here as well. Don't worry, I won't deprive you. And I love you guys. And if I don't post the gameplay here. Then I'll see you guys in the next video. And yeah, let me know in the comments, what do you think? Is it giving storm? I do wish this was a tad bit whiter, but I love it. And I love the Mohawk look. I do. I can't even lie. It's kind of Ian. Like, I want to go out now. Like, I'm ready. I'm ready to go out. Like, let's go. You know what I mean? Love you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Hit that bell. You already know the vibes. Put the 10K. Love you.